How to use Instagram filters on photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'm simply going to be guiding you on how you can use Instagram filters on your photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So I get it what you're talking about. You want to use the filters on Instagram without posting them to Instagram, but you want to save those photos to your gallery, right? Which means that you have a photo on your gallery that you want to use the Instagram filter on. So in this case, I'll just choose a random photo which will basically be this one, let's say for example. And if I want to use an Instagram filter for this photo, I'll just come back to Instagram over here first, tap on the plus icon. I'll just choose that specific photo in this case, so go ahead and then make sure to choose your own photo as well. So once you've selected a photo, this one right over here, as you can see, I'm just going to tap on the next option. And just so you know, I only have one of these photos on my gallery, right? Because I already showed you. Now what I will do is I'll just apply a filter, so I'll just make it black and white so that it can be more recognizable for you. And now I'll just tap on the arrow icon from the top right. Now what you want to do is, if we suddenly post it, it'll be posted to our Instagram profile, but we don't want to do that, right? So what we will do is, now we'll just turn off our Wi-Fi and we will just go ahead and then turn on airplane mode. So turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn on flight mode on your phone to block any type of internet access. And then after you do that, just tap on the post button from the top right. Now what this does is that it will not actually post it to Instagram. It says will automatically post to Impossible. But the magic over here is that when it cannot post this photo to Instagram, it will automatically save them to your gallery. So if you go ahead and open up gallery, you might need to refresh it. As you can see, you'll be able to find the photo that we just chose on Instagram. Now what you can do is you can basically come back, tap on the three dots, tap on the discard post option, and then tap on discard. Now you can go ahead and enable your Wi-Fi and everything else, and your photo will be saved to your gallery and not posted to Instagram. And this is the exact photo on which we have used an Instagram filter. And this is how you can use Instagram filters on photos without posting them. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.